Would you like to play Roblox Mobile just like this with your controller as I'm doing right now? You can do it with your PlayStation 5 controller, Xbox or Switch. It doesn't matter which controller you have as long as you can connect it via Bluetooth with your smartphone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how. I hope you like this kind of stuff. If you do, subscribe, give me a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions, and you can always leave a thanks if you want to support the channel. Let's go. Okay, so the first things we need to do is activate our developers option on wireless ADB, download the Panda Gamepad Pro app, and download the local ADB app. Let's go and do this. Let's go to our settings and activate our developers options. You can activate your developers options by going to your device. In this case it's OnePlus 3. It's where version is, and there's the build number. You need the build number. You press on it 7 to 9 times and then you will see developers options enabled. In my case it's something else because they're already enabled. Once you've enabled your developers options, you can come here to your developers options. In this case they're at a separate place. It's here, developers options, and there you scroll down until you see wireless debugging. When you see wireless debugging, that is the thing you need to activate. And if you have disabled ADB authorization timeout and allow screen overlay in settings, just put them on too. Okay, once you have done that, we can go to the next step. Okay, now once you've activated your developers options, you need to download the Panda Gamepad Pro app and the local ADB app. You can download the Panda Gamepad Pro app in the Google Store, or if you want to try it for free, you can download it on Google. You just write down Panda Gamepad Pro APK followed by your Android version, and you download that. And for local ADB it's just the same. You can either download it in the Play Store or you can go on Google and write down local ADB APK, and you download that program to test it first and to test all the versions if necessary, so you can start the process. Okay, now once you've downloaded the applications, you need to connect your controller. It's very simple. It doesn't matter which one you're using, PlayStation, Xbox or Nintendo Switch. You just connect them via Bluetooth, and once they're connected, you open up the Panda Gamepad Pro app, and as you can see, there are two devices connected. One is the touchscreen interface and one is the wireless controller, in my case the PlayStation 5 controller. And here you see you need activation. If you press on activation, you can see that you can activate it by PC. We are going to do it without a PC, or you can activate it with a USB stick, which costs you some money. We are going to do it completely for free without a PC and without a USB stick. Okay, now once you've done this, you open up the Panda Gamepad Pro app, just close it and open LADB. When you open up LADB, you see you need to put in a port number and a pairing code. Don't close this screen. This is very important. Don't close the screen. In my case, I'm minimizing it like this. It's still open, or you can use split screen. Now we are going to go to our developers options. Here we are. And we're going to go to wireless debugging. We're going to press on wireless debugging, and now you see we can pair device with pairing code. We're going to press on that, and here you see IP address and port. In my case, after the double point it ends with 40749. We're going to put it in 40749, and then we need to put in the pairing code, which is 695092. 695092. Voila. And then we're going to press on pair, and we're going to close this screen. And now you need to wait for a minute or two, and then you will get that the device is connected. Sometimes it can take a minute or two, or you will have to attempt it once or twice. It's very normal, don't worry. Just wait a little bit and you will see wireless debugging connection is made. I'm going to skip this part for you. So now, as you can see, wireless debugging has connected, and now we have to put in the shell command, which is written up here. Now it is very important that you write down the shell command exactly like it's written here. So you write down the SH, and then you leave a space, and then you write the slash like this, SH space slash And I'm gonna skip this part for you guys. Okay, now once you have written everything down, you press OK. And now you get here some messages, in my case bad SD card. Even if you get a bad message about your SD card, doesn't matter, because for some phones don't have it, for example. So now we're going to open the Panda Gamepad Pro app, and now as you can see, it is activated. Now here you see the Roblox game, I put it here already. If it's not here yet, you can press the plus button and then just choose the application from the list and put it there so you can start it. Now let's start the Roblox game. And we're going to choose this ghost thing, launch it, and let's see how it will work. Okay, now the game has started. I'm going to choose to be a pirate. I already mapped my controller, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Now here you see a little panda head. You can press on it, and when you press on that panda head, you can see your buttons how they are mapped already. What I always do, I delete all of them. You can delete them by pressing on the X button here, like this for example, and here you have a little plus sign. When you press on a plus sign, you can add, for example, a right analog stick or a key or a D-pad control. I will put a right analog stick now, like this, and I'll put it at this place. So you can choose where to put it. You can make it bigger or smaller depending where or how you want to put it. See, like this. Voila, I'm gonna make it smaller like this. I'm gonna put it here, and I've put some buttons here already, and I've mapped some buttons here for the combat button so I can fight the guys here in this level. So like this, you can map it just the way you want. You press on this and now you can play with your controller. You see, all I'm pressing, it works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, please. Leave a comment if you have a question or any suggestion. And if you like, you can always leave a thanks. That would be great. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.